आयज तुका मेळोन म्हाका बरें दिसलें आनी विथ युअर स्टेचर इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसीन एंड एज एन एक्टिविस्ट फॉर गोवा आनी गोवा एट हार्ट आनी आमची इश्टागत भरपूर वर्सांची खरी तर आयज तुज्या तोंडांतल्यान फ्रॉम द हॉर्सीज माउथ आय वूड लव टू नो what is your opinion with respect to Dr. Jack De Sequiera being given the title of Father of Opinion poll for सगळी जी चळवळ गोंयांत चल्ली आनी वेल नोन that most of the 100% मायनॉरिटीजांनी मर्जराचेर अगेन्स्ट काम केलें तर हेजेर तुजें पर्सनल मत कितें कॅन or should Dr. Jack De Sequiera be given the title of being the father of the opinion poll?
For me, he is the father of opinion poll. But there is a controversy. To go into all the thing, it's a very long thing. So I will just restrict to this thing. I totally support him as a father of opinion poll. Not only for his contribution to make this opinion poll successful and to bring it about, from daily disorder, that let us have opinion poll because it is something that never happened in India anyway, an opinion poll just to assess, whether they should merge into one state or this thing. But he managed to get it and we succeeded. And that has brought a lot of good to you.
Second question is, Dr. Bab, first of all, there is a lot of full contribution Dr. Jack De Sequiera Babache in the opinion poll. As well, he was the leader of the opposition in the House. In spite of that, the state government has not given him the due respect of putting up an official statue of Dr. Jack De Sequiera Bab, neither in the assembly nor outside the assembly, with respect to the government efforts, number one. Number two, in spite of taking a resolution in the assembly, तेजो आयज पासून तो स्टॅच्यू आमकां दिश्टी पडना ना गव्हर्मेंटाच्या वतीन कांयच एफर्ट जायनात आनी थर्ड द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट प्रॉमिसीस टू कंडक्ट ऑफिशियल फंक्शन्स एट द स्टेट लेवल ऑन ओपिनियन पोल डे. But when the opinion poll day comes, nothing concrete is seen on the ground.
I am of the opinion that a gross injustice is being perpetrated to Dr. Jack De Sequiera. We must have and give due recognition to this man with a big statue at a very prominent place. Dr. De Sequiera deserves at least that, if not much more.
And with respect to any state function being promised by the Chief Minister of Goa,
everywhere, all along the line, the government is, giving him a stepmotherly treatment. And I am totally against that. And it is a gross injustice. Dr. De Sequiera deserves much more. Fortunately, at least in Kalangur and in Ambeli, at least some statues have come about, and I feel very happy. But what happens, we know that there is no good thinkers and independent thinkers everywhere in our state. They consider themselves leaders, but they are not thinkers. And moreover, if they are thinkers, they are not impartial. That's why, this injustice has been done and continues to be done. I sincerely pray, whoever is concerned, that Dr. De Sequiera should be honored with his statue and should be given the celebrated as the father of the opinion poll.
देव बरें करूं. दोतोर बाब, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच, तुम्ही आमकां वेळ दिलो म्हणून.
देव बरें करूं.